Right, here we are in the Mini Pro programmer, USB programmer, and you select the device. We've been using the SST parts and the Atmel parts. So when you hit the little pull down button here, these are the ones that you've most recently used. And now we're going to use the GAL 22V10. We're going to program that. We're going to open up a file, and it's called TTL CPU clock. Open that, loads it in, and let me put the part in the programmer, and then we hit program. Go. There we go. That's all there was to it. So we should be able to put that in and see if it works. Okay, so I've added a connector. Better point. That's not a very good pointer either, is it? Oh well. It's this connector right here. There was a connector right here for the 7474. This was input output, and now this is also input output, but input goes to pin 2 and output comes from pin 23. So we have the program device, so we can put that back in the socket. There we go. And there's the bottom side of the board, my lovely wiring. But yeah, give it a try. Okay, I have the board in, and I've routed the PC increment and the PC up. I routed that through the GAL. Let's reset it, see what happens. There we go. Let's see, I don't see that on camera. We're counting by twos, which is good. Which means I think it might work. So there we go. Click, 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 click. So it's counting by twos. So now we need to go change the microcode to only count by ones again, and see if we can't get this thing working. Okay, I've reprogrammed the state machine to do just single increments. So let's reset. There we go. So we're counting to 9. Now we're loaded on instruction 01, counting to 9. And then we will put in instruction 3. There's instruction 3, reset it to 0. It's going one more time. 9, go to instruction 1, do that 10 times. We should load in instruction 3. 3, reset to 0. Oh, and then it stopped. Uh-oh, a glitch. But the cool thing is it's counting correctly. So no more divide by 2, single increments. Program at least went through a complete cycle, so it's getting better. There's still some kind of strange instruction when it, strange glitch when it does the jump instruction. I think the second time. The first time it always seems to work. Watch it again. There's the jump instruction. Executed correctly. Watch second time. Loaded in loads in a 3. Ah, it worked again. Ah, there we go. So it's intermittent. So it went through 2 cycles that time. Yep. That was a bit odd. I did that funny FF and it recovered from my my FF save instruction. What is it doing here? It's counting to 9. Oh, it didn't load the 1. Strange.
Sounds like maybe there's a RAM error now. Interesting. How can that be? I don't know. Still a glitch somewhere. I don't know what to try to figure out where that glitch is coming from. We count to 9, and then for whatever reason it loads an FF instead of loading the 01 instruction out of RAM. There may be some strangeness in the RAM. Let's try to do a reset here. Oh, that worked. Cool. So I hit the reset button here, and that's a clear to the 193s. That puts a 0 in the program counter, and it starts up again. Let's see if it executes the jump now. Oh, it's like something is funny. Something happened somewhere. It's almost like the ROM is funny. I doubt it though. Let me do a reset. Yeah, it executed a jump 3. Very strange. I'm very excited though. I mean, it's acting almost like a computer. I don't have to stare at this one for a while. This is strange. To the clear. Oh. Very strange. Something's not, it's like a bus assertion error or something out of the ROM. I don't know if all the lines are terminated correctly on the ROM. This board we haven't really exercised very much. The what I'm pointing here, the ROM-RAM board. I know there was one floating connection that I had to put a baud wire in. Maybe there's some other error there or something that works sometimes, but not always. Clear it. The clear instruction won't work now because of this strange instruction in the. There we go. There we go. Works that time. So if I reset it, I can get it to work again. So something is happening somewhere. Yeah, it worked that time. Something intermittent, of course. I haven't really gone through a complete timing analysis of this circuit to see what kind of maybe erased conditions or there can be. There it is doing that funny thing again. Once it does it, it's like stuck. So that type of behavior sort of leads me to believe there's a floating input somewhere. And when you clear it, that floating input maybe defaults to a 0. And then maybe somewhere along the line that floating input gets changed to a 1, and then you can never get it out. So we'll have to look around and see what can cause something like that. It's good though. I like it.